Yo, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to Katie's Empire, and we got another interesting video for you guys to check out today. So today's video is going to be about husband confronts his wife about getting her tubes tied without him knowing. Let's get into the video.
I want you to tell the people what you just told me. You just got your tubes tied without even talking to me about it. Why would you do that?
I mean, we already have, we have children, technically they're not biological.
Those not my biological kids.
I know they're not yours, but, you're a great father figure to them.
I can be a great father, but I want to be a great father to my own actual child. My biological child. I want an actual child of my own that I could say that is really my own.
I mean, that's valid, but at this point, the decision has been made. And
what you mean the decision has been made? Why wouldn't you talk to me about it first? I mean, why would you just up and do it?
I don't even have a ring on my finger, so it's just what's the point? And I feel like
you don't got a ring on your finger, but you in this house though.
Okay, and?
What you mean? What's going on?
I mean, it's just
yes, I could be a great father, but what's going on?
A rash decision, but the decision is final, and I feel good with what I did. Don't make me feel bad or try to.
But why wouldn't you talk to your? Why wouldn't you talk to the person you're supposed to be spending your life with?
I mean, it was just
about a situation that permanent.
I mean, I've been talking to family members, and I already have children. I know I don't want to have any more.
But
children,
I don't have a child, so you genuinely just thinking about yourself.
I mean,
is what you're telling me.
That's how you feel. But that's
how it feel. I'm telling you how it is.
But that's not it. I just have a lot going on. I don't want to have any more children. I'm fine. We can barely. I'm trying to make ends meet with my situation right now.
Make ends meet.
It just doesn't make sense.
We are a team. We are a collective. But why wouldn't you actually talk to me about something that permanent?
We're talking about it now.
No, this is what. No, hold on. You talking about it now?
You have a decision to make.
No.
You have a decision to make. You can either stay or you can leave.
Oh, I'm definitely leaving.
All right, bye.
I'm definitely leaving, but why would you make that type of decisions? When you understand I was sitting here in these kids' lives, and I was sitting here, why would you make a decision that permanent, not even talking to me about it, not knowing if I want a child of my own? Why would you think that's fair in a relationship like this? But you laying on the bed that I paid for.
I mean, the bed not even that comfortable.
So you don't want to be here? It's better than living on the street?
I mean, that's okay.
Oh, you'd rather do that. Why would you make a decision like that?
I mean, it was I talked to a lot of people before I made it. Granted,
how you don't talk to your man though?
Yeah, that's okay. I see the fault.
You sitting here talking to all these other folks. You ain't talking to your man though. Why does that? I mean, why does that even matter?
It's my body at the end of the day.
It's your body.
My children, that's what it is.
No, I don't have a child that is mine. Well, that is biological mine. That is not fair.
But you already stepped up to the plate. You do a great job, and this is where I'm at.
No, that's not fair. I'm gonna be honest. You tripping, and you big tripping. And to be honest, we won't be able to continue this.
We already got 2 kids. Times are rough.
Yeah, times are real rough.
The inflation. It's just so much.
Yes, but you could have said talk to me about it. You could have told me about this.
But you can't afford a child.
I can't afford a child? Do you not see where you're staying at? Yes, we just won't be able to continue this. We won't be able to stay in a relationship. You're going to have to do it on your own now because guess what? You sit here and make a decision. This permanent.
I just broke up with you and now you breaking up with me. Come on now.
Selfish. The first word that popped into my head was selfish. And I wouldn't put a ring on it, brother. Anybody that's going out there making these type of decisions without you, when y'all supposed to be in it together. See, here's the thing. We are together when it comes to helping you raise your children. We are together when it comes to you coming to stay. But when it comes to your body, I have no say in the matter. When it comes to you tying those tubes, I don't have children, but I want us to have a child together. Is that too much to ask for? And I understand, listen, her body, her choice, her own place, her own life. Go on about your business then. Since it's like that, let me find somebody else that understands that I'm trying to build something with someone, a legacy. And I'm going to keep it a band. I know most guys probably wouldn't say it, but I'm not going to build a legacy with your child. I want to build a legacy with my children, with our children. Children that have came out of me, that we have came together and made this baby together. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. If you want to sign up and be the stepdaddy of the year, sir, I salute you. But I want to build a legacy. I want to have a child. And if you don't want to have a child with me, then there's a door. It's as simple as that. And she said that I had this conversation with so many people, but the man that you spend most of your time with, the man that you're in a relationship with, the man that you were probably expecting to get a ring from, but you're definitely not going to get that now. The nerve, the mindset of some of these people. And you wonder why you got two and now you're single. Now you're single and you all out there by yourself now. Because of your mindset. The things that people honestly need to focus on and change is this thing up here. Y'all going out there trying to get them BBLs, taking trips all across, think that's living your best life. It's not. Your mindset is what you need to be focused and working on. Because what's going to happen is most of y'all, you will probably get the thing that you want in life and you're going to end up fumbling it. A good man, a great life, a certain type of lifestyle. And because you don't have the mindset to maintain and keep that, you're going to end up losing it. You're so selfish. You only think about you. And you wonder why now it's just you. Because that's how you've been living your life. It's just been you. That's how you've been operating. So go ahead and take everything that comes along with that. All right. That selfish mindset, that selfish mentality, you're going to end up by yourself. That's why a lot of y'all are by yourself. Or you're in a situation that you regret each and every day when reality sets in. All right. Anyway, I want to hear from y'all, man. What do you guys think about this particular video? Do you think that her actions were justified? Like, listen, I've already had 2 children. I don't want to have any more. My body, my choice. I'm going to tie my tubes. Hate it or love it. It is what it is. Or do you think that the guy was right? Like, you should have had a conversation with me. Or you already understood what it was. I wanted to have children. And do you think that she was wrong in this picture? Or do you think that he was wrong? Let me know down in the comments, guys. Let's talk about it. All right. Y'all be blessed. Y'all be beautiful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa. Too bad was you know they roll.